Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I will show with you how you can cancel your ads on Instagram or Facebook ad payment. So actually guys, it's very easy. Going to your ad manager on Facebook to cancel the Instagram ad payment, you are going to do it from Facebook manager. Then as can you see right here, you have our campaign and ads. From here you're going to go and look the ad that you want to cancel. For example, this ad, Instagram ad, you will be able to check post your active and the ad and after that guys, what you need to do is simply select example for this ad here, click more and click delete. When user is active, you're just going to pause it and delete it. It'll be directly cancelled, guys. And thanks you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you another video, guys. Don't skip, like and share this video for more content, and see you out.